What's up guys? Manolo meron og baki.
Dito sa...
Hello, Mr. Trokat guys. Alright.
So cold out tonight, I'll put blankets on the bed. I won't turn out the light, just don't forget to think about me, and I won't forget you. I'll write you once a week, she said. Now does it feel the same to fall in love or break it up? And if young love is just a game, then I must have missed the kickoff. Don't depend on me to ever follow through on anything, but I go through hell for you, and I haven't been this scared in a long time, and I'm so unprepared. So here's your Valentine, bouquet of clumsy words, a simple melody. This world's an ugly place, but you're so beautiful to me.
So hi guys, na namin sa mong destination karon. Mangita mi op dagan mi makita no nga damang or baki. Tabangi mig pangita. Let's go.
I think about the times she kissed me after class and she put up with my friends. I acted like an ass, I ditched my lecture to watch the girls play soccer. Is my picture still hanging in her locker? I haven't been this scared in a long time, and I'm so unprepared. So here's your Valentine, bouquet of clumsy words, a simple melody. This world's an ugly place, but you're so beautiful.
Go. Ay ng bulan. Indot na manuno na ta. Lagdan na to. Dito. Go. Ay, may damang eh. Yawa sige.
Run.
Isa ka tayo pa na gawin mo? Tani lugar ka mo rin ata. Hindi lang to, tara. Hindi lang to. Huwag mo nag-inom dito gaw? Lagi nag-inom gaw. Tapos sinisubro gaw. Ay, tiglabot na ka. Ikaw! Ano sa good gaw? Tahu dia kau, dia udah manggil kau, kenapa?
Jawa, kita gusto ko!
Run.
Go, painod mo na ng mo. Okay, saan muli ata? Ini mo sa tuyo, pati ko ba? Tak, makita. Go, nindot diri lang sa tulay, go. Sige. Ako na baba. Yan, dahil lang, go. Uy, hinihina dyan, dango kayo dyan. Hinihina, go. Kamu bakbak lang diba? Bakbak din. Siguro ayaw ni, huli na ta. Apa na ito? Ay, basig nalit, di makuha. Basig, isa ka bok. Dako, kayo na dako, Jud. Sige ka na dako, ba? Iho pa, hindi pa. Nilalag diri gani ba? Nandito siguro. Yawa ka na kang bullshit! Bulpan! Anduk! Yawa bulpan!
Gila banget nih.
Cheers to the one that we die. Cheers to the words of the listening right to the beating back and the memories been powder.